Whether you're shopping for Christmas gifts or just regular items for your household, it is a huge benefit to be able to save money while shopping online. So today I'm sharing some online shopping apps that I use and love and will help you save money. Hey guys, I'm Marissa and welcome back to my channel. Here on my channel we talk about life and money and how you can enjoy life while still accomplishing financial goals. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, then scroll down and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. So as I'm recording this video, we are getting into the Christmas shopping season, and I know that 2020 has changed a lot of the ways we do shopping, and you are probably doing a lot of online shopping this year. And we have definitely done our fair share of online shopping as well. But there are some apps that I use for online shopping that I absolutely love and have helped us to save money and even earn cash back. So I will have links to all of these apps in the description box so you can check them out there. But the first app that I absolutely love and you need to check out is called Rakuten. Rakuten is an online shopping app that allows you to earn cash back just for making regular purchases like you would anyway shopping online. So the way that it works, you first sign up for a Rakuten account, which you can use my link that I have down below. And once you get to Rakuten's site, you can see that they have hundreds of different stores that they partner with. And when you want to make a purchase at a store like Nike or Macy's or Levi's, and they have hundreds of stores to choose from, you simply just search for that store on Rakuten's site, and then you follow Rakuten's link to that online store, and then you are just at the online store like normal, and then you just shop and make your purchase that you were planning to make, and you check out. And once you check out, you actually get a percentage of that sale added to your Rakuten account that you can then cash out for like actual money. Like I said, Rakuten has hundreds of stores that you can choose from, and each store offers a different cashback percentage, and sometimes they even increase, especially around like holiday time. So I know that we were just looking at buying my husband some new jeans, and Levi's was doing an 8% cashback. So by simply just going to Rakuten and searching for Levi's, following Rakuten's link to the Levi's store, and then making a purchase that we were planning to do anyway, we then got 8% cash back added to our Rakuten account just by using Rakuten's link. So if you want to get started with Rakuten, you can check out my link in the description box down below. With my link, you can normally receive a $10 sign-up bonus by making a purchase within a qualified time period, but right now, as I'm making this video, and I think it's through till Christmas, they are doing an amazing promotion, and if you use my link, you can actually get a $40 sign-up bonus once you make a $40 purchase through Rakuten. So literally, you just get $40 of free money to go shopping with. So use my link below, get a $40 bonus, go buy someone a Christmas gift off of one of the stores that Rakuten partners with, and you'll get $40 added to your account. The thing I love about Rakuten is that the money that you receive as cash back from your shopping trips, you can redeem in PayPal money, which is a huge benefit. So definitely check out Rakuten and use them whenever you make an online purchase, because why not earn cash back from making normal purchases that you'd make anyway online? And Rakuten has an app and also a browser feature that you can use. I typically use the browser feature as that's how I do the most of my online shopping, but there are a couple options available for you. The next app that I use and love is called Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is an app where you scan gas and grocery receipts and you earn points for doing so, and then you can redeem those points for gift cards. It's really that simple. Just by having receipts that you'd receive anyway by going to the grocery store or gas or even fast food receipts, you can turn those receipts into points by simply just going to their app, opening up the camera feature, taking a picture of your receipt and submitting it, and you earn points. There's a feature in Fetch Rewards where you can earn additional points for buying specific things, but you don't necessarily need to buy those specific items. You'll receive points just for scanning any receipt. I know there are a few different receipt scanning apps out there, but Fetch Rewards is by far the best because you don't need to buy the specific items to receive points. You can receive points for anything. And they have tons of different gift card options that you can redeem with your points, like Starbucks, Target, Amazon, and a ton more. So I love saving up my points and then redeeming them for like an Amazon gift card or Target gift card to be able to get gifts for people, especially as we're at the Christmas season. And also I do have a 6-month-old baby, so we like to use those gift cards to help with a couple baby items here and there. And down in the description box, you can check out my link and my referral code to fetch rewards. If you use my referral code, you'll get 2,000 points to start once you scan your first receipt, which is $2 worth of rewards in the app. So check it out, download it, scan your receipts because you're going to have receipts anyway, and you might as well earn some points and get like a free latte every once in a while with fetch rewards. The final app that I wanted to share is called Honey. Honey is a browser extension that makes sure that you are getting the best deal possible when you are online shopping. So whenever I'm online shopping, Honey will pop up and let me know if I am getting the best deal possible or if I could find it cheaper somewhere else. So I have the Honey extension set up on my browser for my computer, and anytime I'm online shopping, Honey will pop up and let me know if I am getting the best deal possible, which is reassuring for me to know, as I love making sure that I'm getting a good deal. And they also have an amazing feature that watches the price of whatever you're looking at, and you can see if it's on sale right now, if it's at a really low price, or if it's high and maybe you should wait. So we actually used this feature from Honey as we were purchasing our sectional sofa earlier this year through Macy's, and we were able to click on Honey and see that the price had historically been higher, and right now it was like the lowest price that it had been. So we decided that now was a good time to make that purchase because it looked like that was the cheapest it had ever been. Hey guys, future Marissa here. As I'm sitting down editing this video, I realized that I forgot to share one of the other huge benefits to Honey, and that is their coupon feature. When you are online shopping, it'll alert you if there is a coupon that you can use to save money on your purchase, and will automatically run through and apply a whole bunch of coupons so that you can make sure you're getting the best deal when you're online shopping. So I would highly recommend using Honey while you are online shopping to ensure that you're getting the best deal possible out there. So those are my 3 quick little shopping apps that I love to use when shopping online. Don't forget, you can check them out with the links in the description box down below. So definitely check them out, as I'm sure you are doing some online shopping for the holidays, and also still use it when the holidays are over, because you're still going to be able to save money whenever you're making an online purchase. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in that next video. Bye.